Hello folks, NI Detecting back again with another video. Weather has been a disaster. Snow, heavy rain, ground is soaking, so I can't get out metal detecting, but I have went down to the river again. I go down here quite often with the dog anyway. Bit of a flood on, so there's not much gravel to look through on the river. That's the weir up there. I'm a bit further up the river this time than I was in the last video. Snow, it's actually snowing there. You'll see the wee flakes coming down. It's pretty wet snow though. That's the weir. If you're there at the right time of the year, you'll see the big Loch Ness trout jumping up, trying to get up over that weir there. And there is actual salmon in it as well. Unfortunately, there was a wee girl drowned in there. The kids play there in the summer, but unfortunately one of them got drowned. There was flowers and a wee memorial just where I'm standing. You'll see the picture coming up here. The flowers are missing off it there. That was the wee plaque they put up for bad news. That's the weir from up on the bridge. You can see down there. The last time I was way down the river there on the right hand side, searching. This is looking across the river just a bit upstream from the bridge. I seen a flock of little birds in them trees over there. It's hard seeing them on the video, but I have a funny feeling they're waxwings. They're a winter visitor over here. They're a beautiful wee bird. They do flock, they fly about in flocks. You might see them. You would even get them in cities around trees or hedges. You'll see a bunch of them. There could be 2 or 3 dozen of them, but they all stick together. You can see them flying about there, but they're not close enough just to ID them. They've got a wee crest on the top of their head. Lovely coloured wings. There's Roxy enjoying it. This is upstream a bit more. When I arrived here, there was actually 2 cormorants on the bank, and I scared the wits out of them. You'll see one of them flew right across the river, and you'll see it here. If you look just about in the middle of the picture there, just under that green ivy tree, you'll see it swimming there. Cormorant, you normally get them at the sea, but they do come inland. Deer help the little fishies. They'll eat quite a bit of small trout, and there's eels in there as well. This is a little bit of riverbank that I'm gonna do an eyes only on. I have looked at it walking up there, but there's not a big lot on it. That's the seat I would sit in the summer, but I'm not sitting on it today. It's blinking freezing. I did see a Nile breaking, or a trout breaking the water there one day, and it was actually a Nile stuck in its gill. It must have attacked the trout, and the trout was on top of the water, splashing about trying to knock it off, but it wasn't having much luck. Okay, on to the first eyes only. A wee bit of ceramic plate or cup. It does get better, so keep watching. I took that with my camera, a bit blurry. With my phone, sorry, it's a bit blurry, but the little camera, the little camera I have is better. This is it, the camera here. See how much better you can see the detail, and it focuses in a lot better. There's a piece of a brick has been in the river for a while. It's well wore down with the water. Bye bye. This actually looks better in the riverbank than it does when I take it out. I actually destroy it. It goes to show some things are better dirty than they are clean. I washed it thinking I could see the writing on it better, but what do you see when I wash it? Look, you can hardly see the writing on it. It says LE. I don't know what that would be off. Not that worried. Been there for a while, but next, thought that was a wee bit of ceramic pipe, but it's part of a bowl. It could be a pot, if you know what a pot is. Any foreign people watching, it's a pot is for peeing in. Bye bye. Another one. None taker. This is a piece of wood. Looks Chinese. It looks like a Chinese building, but it's actually the way the water has taken all the soft wood out of it and left rings in it. That's probably just the grain of the wood. Even the plank is washed into grooves. Piece of copper strap. I'm going to keep that. A wee piece of copper plate's handy. I might have a wee job for that. So that's a keeper. Next up. Now, I didn't know Bridgestone made golf balls, but that's what that is, a Bridgestone golf ball. I suppose rubber, a rubber ball, rubber tires. Why not? Bridgestone golf ball. Number 2. Whatever that means. I found quite a lot of golf balls in this riverbank. It must run through a golf course somewhere. Oxford Landing. Wine bottle top. I googled it, it's actually Australian wine. Bye. Another golf ball. This time the writing isn't easy to see on it. It's all wore off. Well, not all, but most of it. Now, guess what else? Looking at that, it looks like something really nice, but you'll not believe what it actually is until I get it out here. I thought I'd found something really good, but here we go. Look, old plastic bottle. Must have got melted or something. Rubbish. Bye. Next up, a wee ornamental piece of an ornament. It looks like it's been a tiger or something. You see the stripes on it. A wee leg. There's been a tail on it. You can see right hand side of the leg when I turn it over. There's been a tail there, so don't know. Bye. Well, that's it again. Can't wait to get out metal detecting, but the time will come, the weather will change. It's not to be too bad tomorrow. I'll see, I might get out tomorrow, but as I say, the ground's soaking. Okay, bye for now.